Alright, Yon World, we back with another one. Check this out. Today on my YouTube channel, we going over how to protect your online business when you're selling digital products. Go ahead, leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications for your boy Yon World. Now today on my channel, I wanted to make a video about selling digital products online. If y'all follow me, if y'all follow my channel, y'all will know over the past 9 months I've been selling digital products online. And during that time, I learned a lot of information about selling digital products online. And one thing that I've dealt with between Stripe and PayPal is chargebacks. Now, the thing about when you sell digital products is that different customers can contact their bank and say that they didn't receive a product, even if you delivered the service to them. And the bank would reimburse them, and it will leave you having to dispute the claim and show proof that you delivered the service and jump through a lot of loopholes, right? And on this video, I'm going over how to set up different protection mechanisms for that. Now, on my website, I offer PayPal and Stripe. And due to the increased number of transactions, I had to close my PayPal account. So right now on my online business, I only offer Stripe. And I only offer Stripe for this reason: Radar. Now, Radar is a system that you can set up in place when you are accepting online payments online. Radar allows you to be protected from fraudulent payments. The thing about PayPal is that PayPal has systems set up where they protect you as a seller and they protect the buyer. And PayPal also has systems set up where they protect their platform. So if you are doing a large amount of orders, PayPal has the right to limit your account. They have the right to block certain payments. They have the right to shut down your account completely if they want to. So instead of dealing with PayPal, I just decided to only deal with Stripe. Now, I know a lot of people have used my service and they only use PayPal through my service, and I just wanted to bring to y'all attention we do also have more options for socialmediafarm.net, another website I use. You can come on here and use Square and Coinbase, right? You can pay with Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Ethereum, all of the different altcoins. You can use Coinbase Commerce to fund your account on socialmediafarm.net, so that's also an option. But due to the fact that PayPal doesn't have certain fraud protection mechanisms set up on their payment processing system, I will not be using it moving further. As you can see, Stripe was able to block over $15,000 in fraudulent payments, and whereas PayPal would have probably let that go through and let me have to deal with it going through battling with the banks. So one thing I like about Stripe is that you can set up different radar rules, like if the CVC verification fails, if the postal code fails, if certain things don't match. And one thing I like about Stripe is that you're able to set up 3D Secure for your card. So if you don't know what 3D Secure is, it's just really an extra layer of protection, for the merchant, because it makes the buyer go through extra verifications when purchasing, so it can 100% authorize that buyer is ready and willing and authorize that payment. So it protects you as a seller. So in the future they can't go and say, oh, I didn't authorize this payment. And the thing about Radar is that if disputes do come up, which happens, whenever you're accepting payment online using credit card, the majority of the payments are going to be good, they're going to go through, but over time you will receive certain chargebacks. And the thing about Radar is that it protects you 100%. It protects every transaction. It just charges a small 2-cent fee per transaction, but it will protect every transaction that is made while Radar protection is active and is on. So I just wanted to make this video, give y'all an update on the Spotify method. I'm no longer accepting PayPal. I'm only accepting Stripe due to the increased security of Stripe, the increased protection Stripe has, and yeah, PayPal just doesn't offer that right now. So if things change in the future, I will put PayPal back up on my website. But if anybody ordered through PayPal, your order has been submitted already, and now moving forward, you will only see the option to pay with Stripe. If you use my other website, socialmediafarm.net, you can use Square or Coinbase Commerce, which you can add funds using Dogecoin, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and different altcoins. So it's your boy Yon World. Make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications. I'm out.